Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Freetown exit on Highway 2000. This is a new exit that they're building. Now they are upgrading the Freetown exit to include, it's going to have 4 exits, 2 to enter, 2 to exit in either direction. Currently you have one exit, which is the one on the right of the screen. When going from Kingston to Maypen, you have one exit, but you can't get on the highway to go from Freetown to Maypen. So the only exit is from Kingston to Freetown. And you can only get on the highway from Freetown to go to Harborview, to Old Harbor. So they're upgrading it to become like a diamond interchange where you can get on and off in any direction. So this is the exit. This is the entrance. You would use this to get on the highway to go from Freetown to Maypen. And they're actually building a second exit further up. This one is right in front of the Hypro factory. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. An off-ramp being constructed at a cost of $320 million to link Freetown in Clarendon to the east-west leg of Highway 2000 is expected to be completed by the first quarter of 2025. This was disclosed by Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport Minister Honorable Darrell Vaz during a post-cabinet press briefing at Jamaica House. He also announced that construction of the entrance and exit ramps at Heartlands in St. Catherine at a cost of $400 million will commence at the end of the current calendar year. Mr. Vaz advised that more than $700 million is being spent by Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited to construct ramps linking communities to the east-west segment of Highway 2000. Increased housing and commercial developments in the vicinity of the highway have resulted in greater usage of the corridor, resulting in peak hour congestion. Recognizing the challenges of the increased traffic due to the vast amount of developments along the corridor, plans for additional ramps at critical intersections are on the way to alleviate congestion and enhance connectivity, Mr. Vaz said. Alright, so that's the end of the update article. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. We have always said that they need more ramps for this highway because when it was built, a lot of communities have grown or have been built since this highway was opened. So between Old Harbor and Maypen, we need more ramps, and it's good that they're putting in 2 more. Although this one we're looking at is more of an expansion, but the one at Heartlands is going to be and some new ramps going in. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.